Hello Van Lifer, it is Will Pemble. This is a super quick update. I was talking to a friend of mine, Emily Lamb, about the shower frame, and one thing we were talking about is the fact that the shower frame doesn't, in your van, your shower frame doesn't touch the ceiling, and the roof of the shower that way is vented all the way around because the shower is not just the shower, it's also the toilet. So what you want to be able to do is you want to be able to take advantage of your max fan, which is right there, take advantage of that max fan, which is right back there, or this great big open door. But only that works if you've got lots and lots of air movement through here. And so what happens is the walls of the shower go up to about 1.25 inches, 1 inch and 5/16 actually, away from the finished ceiling of the van. And that's how we do that. And then the other thing that Emily was asking, she's like, wow, is that going to be strong enough? And so, like, you know, here I am. Let's see if I can do a little bit of, there we go, gymnastics on the van. So it's very, very strong. And that's because Framing Tech aluminum extrusions are crazy strong and wonderful and easy to work with, and everything ends up square and perfect. So that's what's going on in your shower. In other news, the flight deck is done. The flight deck is completely done, with the exception of that seat isn't here right now. But basically, one of the things that we've done in the back of the van is, if you look in the back of a Sprinter, this is usually made of plastic, and if you swivel, this will invariably scrape against your B-pillar and other things. And so what we did is we took Stretch Flex and we glued this carpet onto the back. If you look there, it's very soft and fuzzy and beautiful, and that way when we spin, things don't scrape, they just rub a little bit. And so that's a much better way to do things. Now we've got our headliner all replaced, and we've got our beautiful another Stretch Flex opportunity here on this little foam bolster here. So yeah, your van is almost done. I'm designing and building the chairs for the dinette area back here right now. That's where your refrigerator is going to go. If you look right down there, let's see if we can get you right down there. If you look right down there, you'll see AC and DC, so that if you have a dual voltage fridge, that's a really great thing. You'll also see that there's 7 of these outlets here. Each of those outlets has 2 30-watt USB-C connectors, so there's 14 places to plug in your MacBook without ever having to look for the freaking charging block, which is a thing for me. So anyway, your van is coming along really well. If you got any questions, please put them in the comments below. Thank you for helping me share van life with everybody. I'm Will Pemble. I'll see you soon.